You have won.
Why? Why? Today we're taking a look at yet another challenge from America's Next Top Model with a terrible prize. So let's take a look. Today's video is sponsored by Squarespace.
Hi girls, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
My name is Lawrence Zarian and I am a professional model. I know that yesterday you were educated on editorial and commercial posing. Well, today you're going to be tested on commercial posing. Now today we're going to be doing something for a Sears, and behind me you'll notice I have 4 different seasons. I have
No, those are
spring,
just plastic backdrops.
summer, fall, and winter. And I've also provided hair and makeup and wardrobe. I want to see which one of you can not only get your hair, makeup, and get dressed, but accommodate each pose for each season. I'm going to introduce you to what I think is one of the best photographers in town. Please welcome Russell Bear.
Wait, where's Mr. J? Is he fired?
Things that photographers love.
Guys, where's Mr. J? Wait, Lawrence. What's going on here? Where is our beloved Mr. J? I say a lot about Mr. J, but do I want him replaced? Not like this. There's 4 backdrops, one with fake snow, and the seasons, which are represented by colors. Just an orange backdrop, green backdrop. I mean, it is very, that's truly commercial photography. So let's see how this plays out.
Please welcome Russell Bear.
Hi, Russell.
One of the things that photographers love about models like Tyra Banks is that she can come in,
Like
she
Tyra,
can get the job.
Always have to squeeze in Tyra. He's like, one of the things we like about models, like Tyra Banks. Model, entrepreneur, host of the show, judge, supermodel, TV personality, producer, fashion editorial person, baker. She's everything. Can't go too long without Tyra's face popping up or Tyra being at least mentioned. I wouldn't be surprised if there's a contract for the show where it's like Tyra's face has to pop up every so often, like once every hour. Her face has to be plastered on a curtain somewhere, or you have to name something after her, like the Tyra fridge, where you grab beverages, Tyra's favorite beverages. Just like they have Tyra Mail. It's named after her. The whole show's about Tyra. I don't hate her for it. I mean, if I was name it after me. Name everything after me if it's my show.
One of the things that photographers love about models like Tyra Banks is that she can come in,
Of course.
she can get the job done, and she can get out the door because time is money in this business.
Okay,
as you know.
where's the
And
money
one of the
for
things
this
that
photo
I
shoot?
will be looking at today is the fact that I can't direct you. You guys have to direct yourselves and see what you
Okay.
guys have learned previously.
And there's going to be one winner. We'll find out who that is at the end of the day. And the first person to start is Jade.
Okay.
So if you have any questions, come on up here, Jade.
See.
All the clothes are set up over there, and we'll do it fast.
Oh, it's just going to be a quick thing. I thought it's like a real photo, like an actual photo shoot. Okay. So the challenge is they just have to go, I guess, through each season and pick clothes and model. Models who do commercial photography like this, if they're shooting with, again, like retail clothing, stuff like that, you got to be quick. You got to put on the stuff. You probably have to go through hundreds of outfits every day. I know one of my friends who's a model, she used to model for Forever 21, and she would be there all day just trying on clothes, different outfit. They got to be quick. They have to go do the same poses and then just get into the next look. So it's a long work day, but it's quick. So I'm interested to see this.
So if you have any questions, come on up here, Jade.
I love like the
All
two
the
claps.
clothes are
They're
set
like,
up over there, and we'll do it fast. Go.
okay.
Ready for pose number 1? This is it. Great. Let's move it on and see what we
Oh,
got.
just okay.
The most important thing right now is just focusing on this competition.
Oh, wow.
Really slow. You got to make it fast.
Ready? And
Okay, relax. She's doing
Final
her.
look is winter.
Wait, so you want them to do hair, makeup, everything per season, per backdrop, and change it to the outfit? That's reckless of you, Lawrence. I don't know where's Mr. J in all this. You might as well bring him in. What's the difference? He was trained by Mr. J before hosting this challenge. Mr. J's like, tell them they have to hurry up and make sure to distract them and talk to them, and you have to make sure that you are unhinged. It's the only way this is gonna work.
Final look is winter.
I just had fun with all this.
He's just standing like this.
I feel great. I'm Jade, man. Like, look.
The final look is winter, Jade. Hurry up and put that eyeshadow on with your fingers. Come on. Hurry it up. And go do a full, go curl all the pieces on your head. Hurry this up. You're going too slow, Jade. It's too slow. Sears is waiting, Jade. They made houses at one point. They make home appliances. They're not going to be happy with this.
I feel great. I'm Jade, man. Like, look.
Just, that's all you need for winter. Oh, wow. That's
Guess who's
great.
up next? Molly Sue.
We had Sears do everyone's wardrobe.
All the clothes were very cool. They were very,
Very
exciting,
cute.
very bright.
Okay. Love that.
Let me see what you got.
I would buy all of that. The garden hose.
Bring it in. Sarah, she really does have the whole package.
Wow. Okay, Sarah. What is this outfit? She's cute. She looks cute. I mean, it's nice. I love the photography though. Commercial. He nailed it. Beautiful photography. Beautiful light. You guys take notes. Let's copy this light setup. Let's use it for our photo shoots. All you have to do in this one is smile and laugh, and you'll nail it. That's very commercial.
There you go. You ready?
Ready, steady, and. Beautiful. Ready, and. The last one.
Very cute. Okay.
Don't forget.
I love
you need
the
to
light.
self-shot.
You gotta sell that.
I felt like commercial. You had to laugh.
What is
a
it
lot.
called? Why did I forget what it's called? When you put the water into the bucket, it's like I literally forgot the name of it. What is it called? You guys, it's the thing that she's the water bucket thing with the handle. Oh my god, I literally don't know what it's called. What is it called, you guys? It's late. I'm tired. I don't know what it's called. I can't buy it if I don't know what it's called. You just have to laugh a lot.
Good.
I felt like commercial. You had to laugh a lot and smile. So I was doing that, but I really didn't feel that comfortable doing it.
Regroup, shake it out a little bit. Nice. And really hoping Brooke is going to nail it. Unfortunately, she's still learning, and the face and the body just didn't match together.
I love her in the snow.
You ready?
Today we're doing a photo shoot for Sears, and my pinky toe, I still look gimpy, but the swelling has gone down. The strong survive, so I'll be all right.
All right, here she comes.
They got her running around everywhere. Oh my, I love her in the pink. Wow.
I know you're
She did
concentrating,
great.
but if it helps you at all, you are allowed to talk to us.
When I first met Nana, she didn't
Is-
say much.
is
so
that a-
really
Are you sure? She gets eliminated. She's like, you're not supposed to talk to the judge, to the photographer. You're a model. You're supposed to just model and not take over the job of the photographer. That's a trap. You never talk to the photographer, because then they're going to think that you're trying to take over the photo shoot, and you think that you know more, and then you're eliminated. Know the game. Know the game.
Helps you at all, you are allowed to talk to us.
when I first met Nana, she
Don't
didn't
do
say
it.
much, so that really put me off.
Okay, keep your energy up.
I seem quiet because I'm trying to focus and think about what I'm gonna do.
There you
and
go.
How I'm gonna do it.
The reality is she's just a quiet person. When you look at those pictures, she comes alive, she's inviting.
She's so cute. See, that's a girl that knows the game. She didn't take the bait. They're like, you can have a conversation with us. She's like, I gotta win this challenge for no reason. When they tell you it's okay to do something, that means it's not okay, and you should absolutely not do it.
Been watching the other girls?
And keep it real, but keep it what you're selling. That's it. Let's say it. Nice.
Wow.
I think the sun's coming out a little bit. Come on, bring me the heat. Show it.
Sell the leaves. Sell the
You,
backdrop.
Please bring us spring.
I will bring you.
You will bring me spring?
I will bring you spring.
Hopefully I won't let
Will you
Jane
bring
get
them
to me
money
anymore
for this?
and ruin my concentration in this competition.
You promised me you're gonna show me spring. I see that energy. Okay, you got it.
Water the flowers.
Give me face. And there it is. Ready? Got props flying everywhere.
I don't know what to do, and I just try to work what I have.
Show me face. And Gina, if she can get her poses down, she could be another really strong contender. Have some fun. I like that.
Let's hear it
She's
for
so
Gina.
cute. Good job, Gina. How cute.
All right.
Each one of
Wow.
you has such
I
a
honestly
great
thought
gift.
they all did really good. That seems like a very, very hard challenge because it's quick. You have to know your poses and you have to pose with those items. So I would say this is that does seem very normal for commercial photography. especially again for the clothing brands, I know for a fact that they make girls do this. Like, we got to be quick. So you have to know the poses, change, get out of the next one. I've heard stories from models about how they have to change into 17,000 outfits per day, and they have to be really fast about it. So this makes sense to me. This challenge, I think it's a fun challenge, and I think that it does challenge the girls in a good way. So I do like this challenge. The pictures are very high quality. They look amazing. I'm so excited to see who they're going to pick as the winner because they all did amazing. Today's video is sponsored by Squarespace. Squarespace is an all-in-one platform for you to build your business and brand online. You can bring your vision to life. I currently have my photography website using Squarespace, and what I love the most about it is if I ever want to change up the look of my website, I can do that with a click of a button using one of the many designer templates that they offer. You can see how your website looks before it even goes live. You can test out different templates, see how your website looks. Another feature is the gallery options that they offer. For a photographer, it's very important how my images look on my website. I can have them stacked. I can have them as a carousel. I can show before and afters of whatever I want. I can even adjust the space between each picture with just a simple slider. You can even make a store on Squarespace. You can sell your digital goods. You can sell merch. Whatever you're thinking, you can do so using Squarespace. And another feature that I love is the calendar availability. You can show this to your clients. It shows a calendar of what days you have available, and they can book you through that, which I think is super, super helpful, especially as a photographer. But you don't have to be a photographer to be using Squarespace. If you're an artist or anyone who has a vision for something, you can use Squarespace for that. You can start a free trial by going to squarespace.com, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Jessica. Use my offer code Jessica for 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. All the information will be in the description.
Each one of you has such a great gift.
We saw potential in everybody up there.
And the one girl that every single shot was a home run is Nina.
Oh, wow.
Congratulations.
I love how she hugs the photographer. That's good job. That's when she came alive, is when she won. Show her the money, and she'll start saying a little something. Okay, she did a great job. Does she win anything? And is it money? That's all I care about these challenges.
I'm not worried about Nina winning the challenge. Just let her win the challenge. That's cool. You know, she's a cool female. Just give me America's Next Top Model, and I'll be okay.
This is what you get to win. See all these Sears clothes?
Yes.
You have won
The money
all
from
the
Sears. Why?
Win is really
Why? Personally, I just want cash, but I guess this is, she seemed excited about getting the clothes, but first of all, where is she going to put them? Does she have enough room in her suitcase? Didn't they come with like one luggage here for this competition? How's she going to she's definitely paying extra for the luggages on her flight back home when she finishes this competition. To store all of this. She seems happy. That's all that matters.
this win is really necessary.
Because she's like,
I
okay,
told
let's pack
myself
this up.
this week that I had to do really, really well and concentrate on what I'm here for.
She's so cute. I love her. Be honest. Would you guys be happy to win all those clothes, or would you guys want money? Leave your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Do you want to sit with me? Why are you violently hitting the wall with your tail? She's so dramatic. Someone tell me why she's like... Whenever I start filming, that's my cat's cue to start tearing stuff up.